वालेकुम मिस।
क्या न्यू हेडफोन लिए हैं?
क्या नया?
न्यू हेडफोन्स लिए हैं?
क्या?
क्या तुमने न्यू हेडफोन?
Dear students, after 2 minutes, we will start our session. So we are waiting now for more students. And after that, I have to share a screen. Then you will understand our new topic, that is 3D shapes. Okay. This is the last topic of maths. After that, we have to do worksheets. You have to do all worksheets in front of me. Then I will prepare a quiz for you. Inshallah, on Friday, I will take. Zayanuddin, this is not your break time, beta. I think you have to show some patience right now, beta. Stop eating, Zayan. Look at me. Beta, turn on your screen because you are in class, beta. Mariam, Fatma, Kissa, Hassan, kindly turn on your camera. Kissa, turn on your camera. Mariam, Fatma. Okay. Yesterday we had discussed about 3D shapes, in which I got your thoughts regarding 3D shapes, and we had discussed almost half an hour. So it was very good discussion between you and me. Now we are going to discuss more about 3D shapes. Look at your screen. I have shared a slide of 3D shapes, in which we are going to know more about 3D shapes. Okay. Okay. On our last class, we had discussed the difference between 2D and 3D. We had discussed in 2D we can measure only length and width, but in 3D we can measure length, width, height. As you show in this diagram, look at the diagram very carefully. What is width, what is length, and what is height? Okay. On our last class, we also discussed about some practical example of 3D shapes. Got it? Remember, beta? In which we had discussed Rubik's pyramid, cubes, hemisphere, cone. Okay. Now, one by one, we are going to discuss. Before we are discussing each shape, first of all, you have to understand about the vertex, edge, and face. Okay. When we had to do angles topic, we had discussed about vertex. Okay. Inaya, can you unmute yourself, because I want to ask something from you. Kindly unmute yourself. Inaya, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes.
Beta, can you tell me what is vertex?
This vertex is a corner.
No, don't read from the screen. We had discussed on angle topic. Can you tell me what Miss Ikra told you about the vertex? Can you tell me? बेटा एंगल के टॉपिक में हमने वर्टेक्स डिस्कस किया था. क्या आप मुझे बता सकती हैं मिस इकरा ने आपको क्या बताया था कि वर्टेक्स क्या होता है? Anyone else? Raise the hand who want to
Yes,
give.
miss, I can.
So can you tell me, Naya?
Yes.
Okay, tell me now.
Vertex.
Inaya, I'm waiting. Inaya, I'm waiting.
मिस वर्टेक्स जो कॉर्नर होते हैं,
Zayan, can you tell me about vertex? No. Okay. I am repeating again. Kindly look at your screen. Okay. Inaya, just look at your screen. Stop. Okay, beta. Listen to me again. Vertex is a joining point. Okay. Vertex is a joining point of line, two line segments, two rays and two lines. Okay. अब आप डायग्राम देखिएगा, आपकी स्क्रीन में जो एक शो हो रही है वो आपके पास ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म है, सही है। इधर आप देखिए कि ये वाली लाइन और ये वाली लाइन और ये वाली लाइन, ये देखें एक पॉइंट पर ये तीनों लाइंस एक दूसरे से ज्वाइंट हो रही है, सही है। जब भी लाइन एक दूसरे से ज्वाइन होती है, that means the joining point is called vertex, सही है। अगर आपके पास एक पॉइंट, एक ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट है, that means this is called vertex। लेकिन but if you have more than Mariam, please turn on your camera as well as Zayan. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Otherwise, you have to leave the class. Kindly turn on your camera, everyone. Mariam Fatma, where are you, beta? Turn on your camera. This is the last warning, students. Otherwise, you will out from the class. Okay, that's great. Hassan, kindly turn on your camera. Thank you so much. And please cooperate with your teacher. Got it? Give me thumbs up. Please cooperate with your teacher. Thank you so much. Okay, बच्चों, कहाँ थी मैं? आपको ये बता रही थी कि वर्टेक्स क्या होता है। वर्टेक्स ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट होता है जहां पर आपकी तमाम लाइन सेगमेंट्स, लाइन और रेस एक दूसरे के साथ ज्वाइन कर रही होती है, वो वर्टेक्स होता है। अगर आपके डायग्राम में सिर्फ एक कॉमन पॉइंट है, लुक एट द स्क्रीन, यहाँ पर कितने ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट है? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? मरियम, काइंडली गिव मी आंसर। क्या यहाँ हाउ मेनी ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट्स आर देयर इन दिस डायग्राम? कैन यू टेल मी मरियम? Mariam, kindly speak. How many joining points are you watching right now in this diagram? Can you tell me, Mariam?
I think there are 3.
Okay, as Mariam, there are 3 joining points. Okay, fine. बेटा, जब आपके पास more than 1 joining point होते हैं, that means plural है। तो vertex का plural होता है vertices. Got it? जब आपके पास एक ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट होता है, that means vertex। जब आपके पास more than 1 ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट होते हैं, that means it is called vertices. Got it, everyone? Please give me thumbs up, shake your head. I am watching. Okay, thank you, Daniel, for your feedback. Okay, now I am telling you about vertex, edge, and face. Thank you, Hassan. Now look at your screen. As I told you, vertex is a joining point, vertex is a corner. Okay, so on screen I have mentioned. Now we are moving towards the edge. In angle we had discussed about the arm. Okay, तो यहाँ पर जितने भी आपके पास ज्वाइनिंग पॉइंट्स जो हो रहे हैं और उनकी जो लाइंस आ रही हैं, वो आपके यहाँ पर कहलाएंगी एज। Now I am highlighting edge. Look at the screen very carefully, students, because maybe these points come into quiz. I will take on Monday as well as on Friday. 2D shapes quiz I will take on tomorrow, and on Monday I will take 3D shapes quiz. So kindly listen your teacher very, very carefully. Listen, students, this is age, this is age, this is age, this line is also age, this line is also age. As we discussed in angle topic, this line is called arm, but in 3D shapes, these lines are called edges. Got it, everyone? So an edge is a line segment between faces. What is faces? Look at the screen. By face, what do you understand by the term face? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं face से आपको क्या पता चल रहा है कि face क्या होता है? Abdullah Alvi, can you tell me something? Beta, sit properly. Abdullah Alvi, sit properly. Why are you laying down? Everyone turn on your camera, please. Please turn on your camera. Inaya. Kissa Fatma, turn on your camera. Sayan, kindly unmute yourself and give me answer. Whatever you are understanding about the word face, you can share with me. Kindly tell me. Sayan, kindly unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Sayanuddin. बेटा फेस से आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है? Yes, I am listening. Kindly say. Dayan, बेटा what do you understand by the term face? आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है? Okay, Hassan Ahmed. Now you have to say Hassan Ahmed. Yes, Hassan. Hassan, kindly
Teacher,
unmute yourself.
Teacher, can you repeat the question?
Okay. What do you understand by the term face? आपको वर्ड फेस से क्या समझ आता है? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं? कि आप अपने थॉट मेरे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं? वेट जाफर, आई विल गिव यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, यू हैव टू वेट. हसन,
Teacher, I can't understand.
okay, so you have to wait. Let me clear. First, I have to give opportunity to student to share their thought with me. Jafar, yes, Jafar, unmute yourself and say.
Teacher, surface. It is a flat shape.
You are reading from the screen now. Just share your thought with me. ओके, फेस से हमें एक चीज समझ आती है कि हमारे सामने जो भी चीज क्लियरली नजर आ रही होती है वो फेस होता है. सही है. फ्रंट से जो भी चीज आपको क्लियरली नजर आ रही होती है वो आपका क्या होता है? फेस होता है. लुक एट द डायग्राम. आप इस डायग्राम में देखिएगा कि इस डायग्राम में आपके सामने देखिए ये वाली साइड एकदम क्लियर है. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज फेस. ओके, दिस इज फेस. अगर आप थोड़ा सा पीछे की तरफ जाएंगे और पीछे से देखेंगे तो फिर आपको ये वाली साइड क्लियर नजर आएगी, तो ये आपका फेस हो जाएगा. फिर आप इसके आगे की तरफ से दोबारा देखेंगे तो फिर आपको ये वाली साइड क्लियरली नजर आएगी, तो ये इसका फेस हो जाएगा. समझ में आई? तो दैट मीन्स फेस मीन्स अ फ्लैट सरफेस. ओके, जो हमने 2D शेप्स पढ़े थे ना, ट्रायंगल पढ़ा था हमने, स्क्वायर पढ़ा था हमने, रेक्टेंगल पढ़ा था, वो तमाम चीजें बेटा आपकी क्या थी? फ्लैट सरफेस थी. दैट मीन्स वो आपकी फेस डायग्राम थी. सही है. लेकिन अभी हम क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? 3D शेप. यहाँ पर हम थ्री थिंग्स मेजर कर रहे होते हैं, हाइट, विड्थ और लेंथ. और इन सब के रेसिप्रोकल कौन होते हैं बेटा? वर्टेक्स होता है, एज होता है, फेस होता है. I hope you all understood about the vertex, edge and face. Look at your screen very carefully. I am giving you 1 minute. Kindly understand by yourself. Please look at your screen. Inaya, Abdullah Alvi, kindly turn on your camera, otherwise I will deduct your marks on your test. मैं आपके मार्क्स डिडक्ट कर दूंगी जब मैं आपका टेस्ट लूंगी. Kindly read the slide which I have shared with you right now. After that, I am moving towards next. and look at the diagram very carefully. Nurul Hadi, where are you watching? Look at the screen. Have you read? Please give me thumbs up. If you have read, give me thumbs up. Good, Aras. Thank you for your response, Aras. Mariam, have you read? Give me thumbs up. Okay, can I move? Okay, thank you, Mariam. Now we are moving towards next. No, you may drink, Mariam. Don't worry. Don't worry. You may drink water. Now we are moving towards the first 3D shapes. That is cube. Got it? Everyone has watched cube. I know. Even though you have eaten in the form of solid, what will be? क्या होगी वो चीज जो आपने खाई होगी क्यूब के फॉर्म में? Okay, Zayan, wait. Yes, Zayan. Tell me.
Cutted mangoes, like
Mangoes.
cubes.
Okay, like cubes. Okay, anyone more? Okay, let me tell you one more thing. That is ice cube. Remember, cold drink में डालकर आप लोगों ने ice cube खूब खाई होंगी. Zayanuddin, now you have remembered ना? तो ये तमाम शेप्स हमारी जिंदगी में होते हैं जो हम देख भी रहे होते हैं. समटाइम्स हम फॉरगेट कर जाते हैं, लेकिन हम नोटिस भी नहीं करते. लेकिन तमाम शेप्स हमारे 3D होते हैं. जाफर, you have to wait, बेटा. I will talk to you. Okay? Now, first of all, look at the definition of cube. A cube is a three-dimensional solid object. Remember, all 3D shapes are solid objects. Bounded by 6 square faces. इनके पास कितने faces होते हैं? 6 होते हैं. अगर आपके पास कोई cube shape है, so you can count the faces of the cube. Okay? As well as 6 sides with 3 meeting at each vertex. इन लोगों की मीटिंग क्या होती है? 3 होती है. कैसे टीचर 3 किस तरह होती है? Look at your screen. Teacher is highlighting right now, so you have to understand about the meeting of a 3 sides, meeting of each vertex. Look at the screen. I am highlighting this one, and this one. And the common point you are watching at your screen, this one. Got it? Give me feedback if you understood about this line. Okay, thank you, Jafar. Okay, Mariam. Okay, can I move? Can I move? Okay, we are moving towards next slide. That is cuboid, as we discussed on our previous math class, but today explaining one by one. So a box shaped solid object. I told you 3D shapes are solid objects. Okay, it has 6 flat sides. इनके पास कितनी sides होती है flat? 6. All angles are right angles, as we discussed in 2D shapes that triangle has right angles as well as square also have right angles. Got it? Remember, हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि स्क्वायर्स और रेक्टेंगल के पास कौन से एंगल्स होते हैं और हर साइड से वो एंगल्स कौन से एंगल टाइप ऑफ एंगल मेजर कर रहे होते हैं? वो मेजर कर रहे होते हैं राइट एंगल्स. दैट मींस L shape. Remember, beta? Now, all of its faces are rectangle. In previous class, there is a difference between cube and cuboid. That is, cube has a square shape, but cuboid has rectangle shape. Remember? Remember, Aras, have you remembered? Okay, thank you, Aras. Now, students, I am moving towards the next slide. That is difference between cube and cuboid. As Miss Ikra already told you the difference between cube and cuboid. Agar if Miss Ikra asks you about the similarity between cube and cuboid, what will be your answer, Aras? Can you tell me, Aras? Aras, speak, beta. Similarity. Please tell me similarity, Aras. Aras, I am waiting, beta. Beta, I can't hear you, Aras. No, I can't hear you. Dayan, you have to wait, beta. Aras, speak. Beta, there is a problem. Kindly check. Dayan, beta, you have to wait. I have to give to other students. Hassan, do you want to say? Kissa, why are you eating right now, beta? Beta, that is not etiquette. Why you are not showing ethics? During the class, you were eating. In school, tell me. Hassan, I am giving you opportunity. Kindly tell me. Yes, Hassan. Hassan, tell me.
Yes, teacher.
Please tell me.
Yeah. What?
Beta, cube and cuboid. We had discussed the differences between cube and cuboid. Can you tell me the similarity between cube and cuboid? I want to ask beta, Sayyid Jafar, you have to wait.
Teacher, I didn't know.
You didn't know? Okay. Okay, who wants to give me answer? Raise the hand. Afterwards, I will tell you. Who wants to give me answer? Kanza, do you want to give me answer? Ali? No. Inaya want to give me. Okay, first I have to give opportunity to Daniel. Please, Daniel, speak. Yes, Inaya, you have to wait. Daniel, speak.
टीचर इनके ये जो क्यूब और क्यूबाइड के बिटवीन है फेसेस और
No, बेटा I am asking the similarity. आप मुझे बताइए कि क्यूब और क्यूबाइड में क्या सिमिलैरिटी है? जस्ट आप मुझे ये बता दीजिए.
टीचर वो शेप्स होते हैं.
बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेटा सिमिलैरिटी का मतलब होता है कि इन दोनों में कौन सी चीज कॉमन है, कि दोनों के पास सेम चीज है. वो क्या क्या है जो दोनों के पास है? ज़ारा, ओके इनाया, नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू अपॉर्चुनिटी. यस इनाया, टेल मी सिमिलैरिटी बताइए.
क्यूब एंड क्यूबाइड में इस क्यूब के जो चारों वो होते हैं स्क्वायर वो सेम होता है.
Beta, I am asking similarity. Okay. Okay, let me tell you the similarity between cube and cuboid. Listen to me very carefully. Okay. बेटा क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड का डिफरेंस आपको टीचर ने समझाया था कि क्यूब में हम स्क्वायर यूज कर रहे होते हैं और क्यूबॉइड में हम क्या यूज कर रहे होते हैं? रेक्टेंगल. लेकिन इन दोनों में एक सिमिलैरिटी भी है और वो सिमिलैरिटी क्या है कि दोनों ही डायग्राम क्या कौन सा एंगल मेजर कर रहे होते हैं? राइट एंगल. लुक एट योर स्क्रीन. I am highlighting right angle, so this is the similarity between cube and cuboid. Look at the diagram. This one, this one. Both angles are same or not? Kindly tell me, yes or no. Shake your heads. Everyone shake your heads. Okay, thank you, Zara. What about Kanza and other students? Have you understood the similarity between cube and cuboid now? Okay, Zayan, thank you. Ali Abbas, I want to talk with you. Kindly personally message me on WhatsApp. Beta, I want to talk with you. Okay, because mostly you are absent in the class. Why, beta? You have to attend properly, otherwise you can't get the concept. Got it? Beta, I want to talk with you. Kindly message me personally. Okay, we had discussed the similarity between cube and cuboid, as well as we had discussed the difference between cube and cuboid. Got it? Just give me thumbs up, and then I will conclude my session of today. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Zara. Just give me feedback, everyone. Kindly give me feedback. Then I will conclude my session. You have your arts block. After this class, you have your arts block, so you have to join Miss Kausar. Got it? Yes, Mariam, you have to join Miss Kausar at any cost. Remember? अब आप लोगों ने मिस कौसर को ज्वाइन करना होगा इंशाल्लाह. लिसन टू मी, बाय टुमारो आई विल टेक क्विज ऑफ 2D शेप्स. कल आपका 2D शेप्स का क्विज है जो मिस इकरा लेंगी. सही है? रिमेंबर, कल आपका 2D शेप क्विज होगा जो मैं कल लूंगी इंशाल्लाह. सो लेट मी कंक्लूड दिस सेशन. अल्लाह हाफिज एंड टेक केयर एंड लव यू ऑल. बाय बाय.